Hey guys, welcome to Matt Tech. Today we'll be learning how to upload high quality photos on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to upload high quality photos on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app. And from over here guys, in order to proceed, you need to know two things before we can upload high quality photos on Instagram. That is, first, make sure that your photos that you have captured are on high quality from camera. But if you capture on your phone, make sure your phone's camera settings are on the highest quality settings. And after that, another thing you can do on Instagram to upload high quality photos on Instagram is at the bottom right corner of the screen on this interface, you can see your small profile picture icon and a small circle. Tap on that, and from over here at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three lined icons. Tap on that, and from over here you'll be required to scroll down until you can find the data usage and media quality over here under the category your app and media. Tap on data usage and media quality, and over here you can see media upload quality option available for us, where it says the upload at highest quality. So make sure your toggle icon is turned on blue like mine, and this way guys, Instagram will start to upload your higher quality photos on Instagram when you upload them. And with that being done, you will start to upload high quality photos on Instagram next time you upload it. And with that being said guys, this is how to upload high quality photos on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.